Welcome to AZ-800 lab number 5, where we're going to work with virtualization in Windows Server. So let's start up here with the ADM1 server. And specifically, what we want to do here is create some virtual infrastructure. So in Server Manager, if we click on All Servers, and let's say that we want to make these virtual machines over here in Server 1. What we can do is right-click and then go to Hyper-V Manager. And as we can see, there's nothing really here yet. So what we need to do first is create a virtual switch manager. We can do that over here. And we want to create a new virtual switch. We're going to have it as a private network. And we're going to name it the Contoso private switch. Let's go. Then we want to have a new disk. Let's go to hard disk. Next, disk format, VHD. Disk type, differencing. The name, I'm going to call it SEA-VM1. Location is going to be under base. And then the parent disk is a base we have here. Local disk, base. All right, so we're creating a differencing VHD image from that base image called SEA-VM1. When that's done, now we can create a virtual machine. New virtual machine. The name should be SEA-VM1. We want to put it into the base directory as well. This one. First generation memory 4 gigs. Networking, we're going to use our private switch that we just created. And the virtual disk that we want to get is the one that we just create. All right, I think that's it. Under the settings, we can also set the memory to be dynamic. I think it's over here. Yeah. Maximum is going to be that 4 gigs. Okay. Good. That's there. Let's get the Windows Admin Center so we can see that, how that works. All right, let's download the Admin Center. Okay, now we're done. Let's go to the Admin Center. Okay, now it's updated everything, so we can start working. Let's add a connection to our server. SEA SVR1. Oops. There we go. Then connect to it. And now if we scroll down in the tools to virtual machines, we can see that we have the same kind of admin capabilities here. It's over here. Exactly the same functionality, or more or less the same functionality, is available over here. So let's add a disk. A new virtual disk. Five gigs. All right. Back to virtual machines. Let's start. So you can see that it is running. You can see all kinds of. See the two disks in here. Memory assigned CPU. All of the basic stuff. Okay. So let's shut it down. Working on it. Another thing we can do is take a look at the virtual switch. Okay, so next, let's install Docker and kind of be ready to run containers. So let's go over to PowerShell. There we go, we're connected to the server. Let's download install Docker script. and then run that. Okay, then let's restart the server. All right, so then let's pull the nano server image. Okay, so now it should work. There we go. Okay, let's try again. Okay, then let's run an interactive session with it. So unfortunately, the PowerShell UI here in Windows Administration Center doesn't support TTYs, and there was no quick way around that. So I'm going to have to jump over the rest of the parts of this part of the lab. Next up, let's install the container extension into Windows Administration Center. Extensions, containers, install. So now let's go back. Select containers. So you can see that we have one stopped. We ran. It is the nano server one. This is the relevant image. So that's everything for this lab. Thanks a lot for listening to me. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.